Hey, hi. Thank you so much for checking out my profile. My name is MD Nasim Reza and I am an expert digital marketer. For any issue or challenge that you are facing in your digital marketing campaign, I am here to help you. Let's tell you exactly why. I am the highest experienced and reliable freelancer on Upwork. I have done many successfully job already, and client satisfaction is my number one priority, and that reflected in the numerous 5-star review on my profile. I am good at in Google Ads and Facebook Ads. I can create ad, optimize ad, also audit ad. Also, I am expert in tracking. I have experience on Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics 4 and Facebook Pixel. So I can easily set up your e-commerce tracking and you will get the good ROI from your ad campaign. Also, I am good at in Shopify. I can handle your Shopify business. I also have a freelancing and tech YouTube channel called Marketing with Nasim, and I really enjoy knowledge sharing and helping others. I would love to hear about your project and most importantly, how I can help you. Contact me today so we can schedule a quick introduction call to ensure I will be a great assistant. Thank you so much for checking out my profile and I look forward to meeting you.